Angular concrete house design on hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. Introduction. Welcome to the ByJSTD YouTube channel, where we inspire your home decoration ideas with innovative designs and concepts. In today's video, we will explore an extraordinary architectural marvel, the angular concrete house design on hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. This stunning residence not only showcases contemporary aesthetics but also harmonizes beautifully with its natural surroundings. The design philosophy behind this project emphasizes sustainability and the seamless integration of architecture with the environment, particularly the majestic Cork oak trees that provide both beauty and functionality. As we delve into the details of this remarkable house, we invite you to consider how such designs can inspire your own home projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Architectural concept and design philosophy. The angular concrete house design on hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a remarkable synthesis of modern architecture and environmental consciousness. This design approach prioritizes the preservation of natural elements while creating a living space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The angular shapes of the structure not only contribute to its contemporary appeal but also allow for a dynamic interaction with the surrounding landscape. By carefully considering the placement of the house in relation to the Cork oak trees, the design maximizes the benefits of natural shade and visual beauty, creating a serene environment that feels integrated with nature. In this project, the architects have employed concrete as the primary material, a choice that offers both durability and versatility. The angular concrete house design on hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees utilizes this robust material to create sharp lines and bold forms that stand out against the organic shapes of the trees. The use of concrete also allows for large, open spaces within the home, which can be flooded with natural light through strategically placed windows. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also promotes energy efficiency, as the design takes advantage of passive solar heating. Each element of the house is meticulously planned to ensure that it complements the existing Cork oaks, rather than competing with them. The integration of the existing Cork oak trees into the design is a testament to the architect's commitment to sustainability. Rather than clearing the land to make way for the house, the angular concrete house design on hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees embraces the natural landscape, allowing the trees to dictate certain aspects of the design. This approach not only preserves the ecological integrity of the site but also enhances the living experience for the inhabitants. The trees provide shade, reduce heat gain, and contribute to the overall aesthetic of the home, creating a harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. Moreover, the design encourages outdoor living, with terraces and balconies that overlook the hilltop views and the lush greenery surrounding the Cork oaks. The angular concrete house design on hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees features these outdoor spaces as extensions of the indoor living areas, promoting a lifestyle that values connection with nature. The architects have thoughtfully incorporated pathways and seating areas that invite residents to engage with their environment, whether it be for relaxation or social gatherings. This emphasis on outdoor living spaces enhances the quality of life for those who reside in the home, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is not just a structure, it is a philosophy that champions the fusion of modern design with environmental stewardship. By prioritizing the preservation of existing natural elements and promoting sustainable practices, this architectural masterpiece serves as an inspiring example for future projects. It challenges us to rethink how we approach home design, encouraging us to consider the impact of our choices on the environment while still achieving our aesthetic and functional goals. As we explore more about this unique design, we hope it inspires you to think about how you can incorporate similar principles into your own home decor ideas. Sustainability and environmental integration. Sustainability is at the heart of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. This design not only prioritizes modern aesthetics but also emphasizes environmental responsibility. By integrating the existing Cork oak trees into the architectural blueprint, the design minimizes disruption to the natural landscape. The architects have taken great care to ensure that the house complements its surroundings, allowing the trees to thrive while providing shade and beauty. This thoughtful approach reflects a growing trend in architecture that seeks to harmonize built environments with the natural world, promoting a lifestyle that respects and nurtures the ecosystem. The choice of concrete as the primary material for the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is also significant from a sustainability perspective. Concrete is known for its longevity and durability, which means that the structure will require minimal maintenance over time. Additionally, the thermal mass of concrete helps regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. This energy-efficient design not only lowers utility bills but also reduces the overall carbon footprint of the home. By prioritizing sustainable materials and design practices, this project sets a standard for future constructions that aim to balance modern living with environmental stewardship. Moreover, the design incorporates various eco-friendly features that enhance its sustainability. For example, rainwater harvesting systems can be integrated into the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees, allowing for the collection and reuse of rainwater for irrigation and other non-potable uses. Additionally, solar panels can be installed on the roof, harnessing renewable energy to power the home. These features not only contribute to the house's self-sufficiency but also promote a lifestyle that values conservation and resource management. By embracing these sustainable practices, the design encourages residents to engage with their environment in a more responsible manner. The relationship between the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees and its natural surroundings fosters a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. The presence of Cork oak trees not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the property but also provides numerous ecological benefits. These trees serve as habitats for various wildlife species, contributing to biodiversity in the area. Furthermore, they help improve air quality and reduce soil erosion, creating a healthier environment for both the inhabitants and the surrounding ecosystem. This integration of natural elements into the design underscores the importance of preserving and enhancing local flora and fauna in architectural projects. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees exemplifies a forward-thinking approach to architecture that prioritizes sustainability and environmental integration. By harmonizing modern design with the natural landscape, this project serves as an inspiring model for future developments. It challenges conventional notions of home design, encouraging a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness between built environments and the natural world. As we continue to explore innovative ways to create sustainable living spaces, this design stands as a testament to the potential for architecture to foster a more harmonious relationship with our planet. Aesthetic appeal and modern design. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a testament to contemporary architecture that marries form and function. The design showcases sharp angles and clean lines, creating a striking silhouette against the backdrop of the natural landscape. This modern aesthetic not only captures the eye but also reflects a deeper philosophy of design that values simplicity and elegance. The use of concrete as the primary material lends a sense of permanence and strength to the structure, while the angular forms create dynamic visual interest. This approach to design emphasizes that a home can be both beautiful and functional, offering an inspiring model for future architectural endeavors. In addition to its striking appearance, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees incorporates large windows and open spaces that invite natural light into the interior. These design elements foster a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor environments. The expansive glass panels not only enhance the visual appeal of the home but also provide stunning views of the surrounding Cork oak trees and the landscape beyond. This integration of nature into daily living spaces promotes a sense of tranquility and well-being, allowing residents to feel more in tune with their environment. The design encourages an appreciation for the beauty of nature, transforming the home into a sanctuary that celebrates both modern living and the natural world. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees also emphasizes the use of sustainable materials and innovative construction techniques. The choice of concrete is complemented by eco-friendly finishes and fixtures that enhance the overall aesthetic while reducing environmental impact. For instance, the incorporation of recycled materials and energy-efficient systems demonstrates a commitment to sustainability without compromising style. This focus on responsible design not only appeals to environmentally conscious homeowners but also sets a precedent for future architectural projects. By prioritizing sustainability in the design process, this home exemplifies how modern architecture can be both visually stunning and ecologically responsible. Moreover, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees offers a unique opportunity for personalization and customization. The open floor plan allows homeowners to adapt the space to their specific needs and preferences, creating a truly individualized living experience. Whether it's through the selection of furnishings, the arrangement of spaces, or the incorporation of art and decor, this design encourages creativity and self-expression. The flexibility of the layout ensures that the home can evolve with its inhabitants, accommodating changes in lifestyle and taste over time. This adaptability is a crucial aspect of modern living, reflecting a shift towards homes that serve as a canvas for personal expression. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a harmonious blend of aesthetic appeal, modern design, and sustainability. Its striking visual elements, coupled with thoughtful integration of natural surroundings, create a living space that is both beautiful and functional. By prioritizing eco-friendly materials and customization, this design sets a new standard for contemporary architecture, inspiring future projects to embrace the principles of responsible design. As we move forward in the realm of home decor and architecture, this house serves as a beacon of innovation and creativity, encouraging a deeper connection between our living spaces and the natural world. The future of sustainable living. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees not only exemplifies modern architectural aesthetics but also sets a benchmark for sustainable living. As the world increasingly grapples with environmental challenges, this design showcases how architecture can harmonize with nature rather than disrupt it. The integration of existing Cork oak trees into the design is a deliberate choice that reflects a commitment to preserving the natural environment. By building around these trees, the design minimizes ecological impact and promotes biodiversity, allowing the natural ecosystem to thrive alongside human habitation. This approach serves as a powerful reminder that sustainability is not just an afterthought in design but can be a fundamental principle guiding architectural decisions. One of the most impressive aspects of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its innovative use of materials. The choice of concrete as a primary building material is significant, as it is not only durable but can also be produced with recycled content, reducing the carbon footprint associated with traditional construction methods. Additionally, the design incorporates energy-efficient systems, such as solar panels and rainwater harvesting, which further enhance its sustainability credentials. These features not only reduce reliance on non-renewable resources but also lower utility costs for homeowners, making sustainable living more accessible and appealing. The house stands as a testament to how modern architecture can utilize advanced technology and materials to create spaces that are both functional and environmentally friendly. Furthermore, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees encourages a lifestyle that is in tune with nature. The design promotes outdoor living by incorporating terraces and balconies that overlook the beautiful landscape, providing residents with spaces to connect with their surroundings. This connection to nature is essential for mental well-being, as studies have shown that spending time outdoors can reduce stress and improve overall health. The design fosters an appreciation for the natural world, encouraging residents to engage with their environment actively. By creating spaces that invite outdoor activities and contemplation, this house embodies a lifestyle that values both comfort and connection to nature. As we look to the future, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as an inspiration for architects and homeowners alike. It challenges conventional notions of what a home can be, pushing boundaries and redefining the relationship between architecture and the environment. This design exemplifies a shift towards more thoughtful and sustainable living, where the built environment complements rather than competes with nature. As more individuals seek to reduce their ecological footprint, designs like this will play a crucial role in shaping the future of housing and community development. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a visionary approach to sustainable living. By integrating modern design principles with a commitment to environmental stewardship, this house sets a new standard for what is possible in contemporary architecture. It not only offers a beautiful and functional living space but also serves as a model for future developments that prioritize sustainability and harmony with nature. As we continue to explore innovative solutions to the challenges of modern living, this design stands as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that it is indeed possible to create homes that are both stylish and environmentally responsible. The impact on community and environment. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is not just a remarkable architectural feat, it also has a significant impact on the surrounding community and environment. This design embodies the principles of sustainable living, which resonate with a growing awareness of environmental issues. By choosing to build around existing Cork oak trees, the design promotes biodiversity and helps maintain the local ecosystem. Such considerations are increasingly important in today's world, where urban development often leads to habitat loss and environmental degradation. The house serves as a model for how thoughtful design can enhance rather than hinder the natural landscape, encouraging other developers and homeowners to adopt similar practices. Moreover, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees fosters a sense of community. Its unique architectural style and commitment to sustainability can inspire neighboring properties to rethink their own designs and landscaping. When a home is built with an emphasis on ecological harmony, it sets a precedent that encourages others to consider their environmental footprint. This ripple effect can lead to a more cohesive community that values sustainable practices, resulting in a neighborhood that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally responsible. The house can act as a catalyst for community engagement, sparking discussions about sustainable living and inspiring collaborative efforts to enhance local green spaces. In addition to fostering community spirit, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees can also serve as an educational resource. By showcasing innovative building techniques and sustainable practices, the house can attract visitors interested in architecture, design, and environmental conservation. Workshops, tours, or open houses can be organized to demonstrate the benefits of sustainable living and the importance of integrating nature into architectural designs. This educational aspect not only raises awareness but also empowers individuals to make informed choices about their living environments, promoting a culture of sustainability that extends beyond the immediate community. Furthermore, the design's commitment to sustainability can have economic benefits for the community. As more individuals and families seek eco-friendly living options, properties like the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees can increase in value. This interest can stimulate local economies, encouraging businesses that focus on sustainable products and services. Additionally, the house can attract ecotourism, drawing visitors who are interested in sustainable architecture and nature. This influx can provide economic opportunities for local artisans, restaurants, and other businesses, creating a thriving community centered around sustainability. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is a shining example of how thoughtful architecture can positively impact both community and environment. By prioritizing sustainable practices and fostering a sense of community, this design not only enhances the immediate landscape but also encourages a broader movement toward eco-conscious living. As we move forward, it is crucial to embrace such designs that inspire change and promote a harmonious relationship between our built environments and the natural world. This house stands as a testament to the potential of architecture to influence communities and inspire a collective commitment to sustainability. Future trends in sustainable architecture. As we look towards the future of architecture, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as a beacon of innovation and sustainability. This design not only reflects current trends but also sets a standard for future developments. The integration of natural elements, such as existing Cork oak trees, into the architectural framework is becoming increasingly popular. Architects are recognizing the importance of harmonizing built structures with their natural surroundings, which not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also promotes environmental stewardship. As urbanization continues to expand, the principles demonstrated by this design can guide future projects in creating spaces that respect and incorporate nature. One of the most significant trends emerging from the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is the emphasis on eco-friendly materials. The use of concrete, while often seen as a traditional building material, is being reimagined through sustainable practices. Innovations such as recycled aggregates and low-carbon concrete mixes are gaining traction, allowing architects to reduce the environmental impact of their designs. This shift towards sustainable materials aligns with the growing demand for green building certifications and eco-labels, pushing the industry toward a more responsible future. The angular concrete house serves as an exemplary model, showcasing how modern materials can be utilized without compromising on design or functionality. Moreover, the concept of biophilic design is increasingly influencing architectural trends, as seen in the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. Biophilic design focuses on creating spaces that connect occupants with nature, promoting well-being and enhancing the overall living experience. This approach often incorporates natural light, greenery, and organic shapes into the design, fostering a sense of tranquility and harmony. The angular concrete house exemplifies this trend by seamlessly integrating the Cork oak trees into its layout, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of nature from the comfort of their home. As mental health awareness continues to grow, the demand for biophilic spaces will likely increase, encouraging more architects to explore this innovative design philosophy. In addition to material choices and biophilic design, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees highlights the importance of energy efficiency in modern architecture. With the rising costs of energy and the urgent need to combat climate change, energy-efficient designs are no longer optional, they are essential. This house incorporates features such as passive solar design, which maximizes natural heating and cooling, and energy-efficient appliances that reduce overall consumption. These elements not only lower utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable future. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions that enhance energy efficiency in residential architecture, making homes more sustainable and cost-effective. Finally, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a shift towards community-oriented architecture. As urban areas become denser, the need for designs that foster community interaction and collaboration is paramount. This house's design encourages outdoor living spaces, communal areas, and connections to nature, promoting a sense of belonging among residents. Future architectural trends will likely continue to prioritize community engagement, focusing on creating spaces that not only serve individual needs but also enhance the collective experience of living in a neighborhood. By embracing these principles, architects can contribute to a more connected and resilient society, paving the way for a brighter future in sustainable living. The impact of angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees on local ecosystems. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is not just a stunning architectural feat, it also has profound implications for local ecosystems. This design philosophy prioritizes ecological balance by carefully considering the existing flora and fauna in the area. By embracing the Cork oak trees, the design minimizes disruption to the local habitat, allowing the natural ecosystem to thrive alongside modern living spaces. This approach reflects a growing awareness among architects and homeowners alike about the importance of preserving biodiversity while creating functional and beautiful homes. The integration of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees promotes a symbiotic relationship between the built environment and nature. Cork oak trees are known for their ecological benefits, including carbon sequestration, soil stabilization, and support for various wildlife species. By incorporating these trees into the design, the structure enhances the local environment rather than detracting from it. This design choice not only fosters a sense of harmony but also serves as a model for future developments, encouraging others to consider the ecological impacts of their architectural choices. Furthermore, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees exemplifies the principles of sustainable living. The design encourages the use of renewable resources and minimizes reliance on non-renewable materials. For instance, Cork oak trees are a renewable resource, as their bark can be harvested without harming the tree itself. This sustainability factor extends to the overall energy efficiency of the home, as the strategic placement of windows and insulation can reduce energy consumption. By showcasing these sustainable practices, the design sets a precedent for environmentally conscious construction in the future. In addition to its ecological benefits, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees also serves as an educational tool for the community. As more individuals become aware of the importance of sustainability and biodiversity, this design can inspire others to adopt similar practices in their own homes. Workshops, tours, and educational programs can be organized around the house, allowing visitors to learn about the significance of preserving local ecosystems and the role of architecture in promoting sustainability. This educational aspect not only enhances community engagement but also fosters a culture of environmental responsibility. Lastly, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees illustrates the potential for future architectural trends to prioritize ecological considerations. As climate change and environmental degradation become increasingly pressing issues, the need for designs that harmonize with nature will only grow. This house serves as a case study for future architects and builders, showcasing how thoughtful design can mitigate negative impacts on local ecosystems while enhancing the quality of life for residents. By continuing to embrace such innovative approaches, the architectural community can contribute to a more sustainable and resilient future for all. The future of architecture, innovations inspired by angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a significant shift in architectural philosophy, one that harmonizes modern design with environmental consciousness. This innovative approach emphasizes the importance of integrating natural elements into architectural designs. As more architects and designers prioritize eco-friendly practices, the influence of this design can be seen as a beacon for future projects. By showcasing how a contemporary home can coexist with its natural surroundings, this architectural model invites others to rethink the relationship between built structures and the environment. One of the most compelling aspects of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its use of sustainable materials and construction methods. The design encourages the adoption of renewable resources, such as cork, which not only supports local ecosystems but also reduces the carbon footprint of the building process. As the architecture industry continues to evolve, this house serves as a practical example of how sustainability can be seamlessly integrated into modern design. The emphasis on using materials that are both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally friendly sets a precedent for future developments, encouraging a shift toward responsible construction practices. Moreover, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees highlights the importance of biophilic design principles. By incorporating natural elements, such as the existing Cork oak trees, the structure fosters a deeper connection between inhabitants and their environment. This connection has been shown to enhance well-being and promote mental health. As architects and designers strive to create spaces that nurture human experience, this design exemplifies how nature can be woven into the fabric of everyday life. Future architectural trends are likely to embrace this philosophy, leading to more designs that prioritize the health of both the environment and its inhabitants. In addition to its sustainable and biophilic elements, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as an inspiration for community-focused architecture. The design encourages social interaction and fosters a sense of belonging among residents. By integrating communal spaces and outdoor areas that invite engagement with nature, this house exemplifies how architecture can cultivate community ties. As urban areas become increasingly dense, the need for designs that promote social interaction becomes paramount. This house can serve as a model for future developments that prioritize not only individual living experiences but also the collective well-being of communities. Finally, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a testament to the evolving nature of architecture in response to global challenges. As climate change, resource depletion, and urbanization continue to impact our world, architects must innovate to create resilient and sustainable living environments. This design illustrates how modern architecture can address these challenges by prioritizing ecological balance, community engagement, and the well-being of its inhabitants. By embracing these principles, future architects can lead the way toward a more sustainable and harmonious coexistence with nature, shaping a brighter future for the built environment. Embracing nature, the lasting impact of angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees not only exemplifies modern architectural practices but also highlights the importance of environmental stewardship. As the world faces increasing challenges related to climate change and urbanization, this design serves as a model for sustainable living. By integrating existing Cork oak trees into its structure, the design minimizes disruption to the natural landscape while enhancing the aesthetic value of the home. This approach encourages a new way of thinking about architecture, where the preservation of nature is as critical as the construction of buildings. The lasting impact of this design is evident in its ability to inspire future projects that prioritize ecological. One of the key features of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its innovative use of materials. The choice of concrete, often viewed as a cold and uninviting substance, is transformed into a warm and inviting element through thoughtful design and careful integration with the surrounding environment. This design demonstrates how modern materials can be used to create spaces that are both functional and harmonious with nature. The incorporation of Cork oak trees not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to the overall sustainability of the home. As architects and designers explore new possibilities in material usage, this design sets a benchmark for future innovations that prioritize both beauty and environmental responsibility. Moreover, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees emphasizes the importance of context in architectural design. Situated on a hilltop, the house takes advantage of its elevated position to offer breathtaking views while maintaining a respectful distance from the natural landscape. This thoughtful placement allows the design to coexist with the Cork oak trees, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both the architecture and the environment. By considering the surrounding ecosystem during the design process, architects can create spaces that enhance the natural beauty of the area while minimizing their ecological footprint. This context-driven approach is crucial for future developments that aim to harmonize with their environments rather than impose upon them. In addition to its architectural merits, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as a catalyst for community engagement and awareness. By showcasing the potential of sustainable design, this house encourages discussions around environmental responsibility and the role of architecture in promoting a healthier planet. It invites viewers to reconsider their own living spaces and the impact they have on the environment. As more individuals become aware of the importance of sustainable practices, the influence of this design can extend beyond its physical structure, inspiring a movement toward greener living. This ripple effect can lead to a broader cultural shift that prioritizes eco-friendly choices in architecture and design. Ultimately, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a forward-thinking approach to architecture that embraces both innovation and tradition. By honoring the existing Cork oak trees and integrating them into the design, this house exemplifies how modern architecture can respect and enhance the natural world. As we look to the future, the lessons learned from this design will be invaluable in shaping a built environment that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also sustainable and in harmony with nature. The lasting impact of this architectural vision will inspire generations of architects and homeowners to create spaces that celebrate the beauty of the environment while promoting a sustainable future. Future perspectives: the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. As we explore the future of architecture, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a beacon of innovation and sustainability. This design not only addresses the immediate needs of its inhabitants but also considers the long-term impacts on the environment. By prioritizing ecological harmony, the design paves the way for a new architectural paradigm where nature is an integral part of the living experience. This forward-thinking approach encourages architects and designers to rethink how they can create spaces that are not only functional but also nurturing to the surrounding ecosystem. The future of architecture lies in designs that respect and enhance the natural world, and this house exemplifies that vision. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees also serves as an educational platform for sustainable living practices. By showcasing the benefits of integrating natural elements into modern architecture, this design inspires homeowners and builders to adopt eco-friendly practices in their own projects. The use of Cork oak trees in the design highlights the importance of preserving existing flora while constructing new homes. This approach can lead to a broader cultural shift where sustainability becomes a priority in residential projects. As more individuals are educated on the environmental benefits of such designs, the demand for sustainable architecture will likely increase, encouraging more architects to follow suit. In addition to its educational role, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees represents a shift in societal values toward a more environmentally conscious lifestyle. As communities become increasingly aware of the impacts of climate change and habitat destruction, there is a growing desire for homes that reflect these values. This design not only meets the aesthetic and functional needs of its occupants but also aligns with a larger movement toward sustainability. By choosing to embrace existing Cork oak trees, the design fosters a sense of responsibility and care for the environment, encouraging future generations to prioritize ecological considerations in their own living spaces. Moreover, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees illustrates the potential for community-centric designs that promote social interaction and connection with nature. As urban areas become more densely populated, the need for homes that offer a retreat into nature becomes increasingly important. This design not only provides a sanctuary for its inhabitants but also encourages a sense of community by integrating shared spaces that foster interaction among neighbors. By creating environments that prioritize both individual well-being and community connection, this design sets a precedent for future developments that seek to balance private and public spaces harmoniously. Ultimately, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is a testament to the possibilities of modern architecture when it prioritizes sustainability, education, and community. As we look to the future, this design serves as an inspiration for architects, designers, and homeowners alike. It challenges us to envision living spaces that are not only beautiful and functional but also deeply connected to the natural world. The lessons learned from this innovative design will undoubtedly influence the next generation of architectural practices, paving the way for a more sustainable and harmonious built environment. The role of technology in the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. In the contemporary architectural landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in shaping innovative designs, and the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is no exception. Advanced design software and modeling tools have revolutionized the way architects conceptualize and create structures. These technologies enable designers to visualize the integration of the house with the existing Cork oak trees, ensuring that the natural elements are preserved and celebrated within the design. By utilizing tools like building information modeling, BIM, architects can simulate various environmental conditions and assess how the house interacts with its surroundings. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also optimizes. Moreover, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees incorporates smart home technologies that enhance the living experience while minimizing environmental impact. These technologies include energy-efficient systems, automated lighting, and climate control mechanisms that adapt to the occupants' needs. For instance, solar panels can be integrated into the design to harness renewable energy, significantly reducing the home's carbon footprint. Additionally, smart irrigation systems can be employed to maintain the health of the existing Cork oak trees, ensuring they thrive alongside the modern structure. This harmonious blend of technology and nature exemplifies how modern architecture can evolve to meet contemporary demands while respecting the environment. The use of sustainable materials is another crucial aspect of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. Innovations in material science have led to the development of eco-friendly concrete alternatives that reduce environmental impact without compromising structural integrity. For example, incorporating recycled materials and low-carbon concrete can significantly lower the carbon emissions associated with construction. This thoughtful approach not only enhances the sustainability of the design but also aligns with the growing trend of responsible building practices. By prioritizing the use of sustainable materials, this design sets a benchmark for future projects aiming to balance modernity with ecological consciousness. In addition to sustainable materials, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees showcases advancements in construction techniques that enhance efficiency and reduce waste. Prefabrication and modular construction methods allow for precise manufacturing of components off-site, minimizing construction time and environmental disruption on the hilltop. This approach also ensures higher quality control, as each element is crafted in a controlled environment. By employing these innovative construction methods, the design not only respects the existing landscape but also demonstrates a commitment to minimizing the ecological footprint associated with traditional building practices. Ultimately, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as a prime example of how technology can be harnessed to create sustainable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing architecture. By integrating advanced design software, smart home technologies, sustainable materials, and innovative construction techniques, this project illustrates the potential for modern architecture to coexist harmoniously with nature. As we move forward, the lessons learned from this design will undoubtedly influence future architectural practices, encouraging a more thoughtful and responsible approach to building in harmony with the environment. The aesthetic appeal of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands out not only for its innovative use of materials but also for its striking aesthetic appeal. The design harmoniously blends modern architectural elements with the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape, creating a visual masterpiece that captivates the eye. The angular forms of the house contrast beautifully with the organic shapes of the existing Cork oak trees, resulting in a dynamic interplay between structure and nature. This design philosophy emphasizes the importance of creating spaces that are not only functional but also visually engaging, allowing the house to become a part of its environment rather than an intrusion upon it. One of the most compelling aspects of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its ability to draw inspiration from the natural elements surrounding it. The use of concrete, a material often associated with industrial aesthetics, is transformed into a warm and inviting structure through thoughtful design choices. The textures and colors of the concrete are carefully selected to complement the earthy tones of the Cork oak trees, enhancing the overall cohesiveness of the design. This attention to detail creates a seamless transition between the built environment and the natural landscape, inviting the viewer to appreciate the beauty of both. Furthermore, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees utilizes large windows and open spaces to maximize natural light and provide stunning views of the surrounding area. This design choice not only enhances the interior ambience but also fosters a connection between the occupants and the outdoors. By framing the existing Cork oak trees within the home's architecture, the design encourages an appreciation for nature and the changing seasons. The interplay of light and shadow throughout the day adds another layer of depth to the aesthetic experience, making each moment spent in the house unique and inspiring. The layout of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees also contributes to its aesthetic appeal. The open floor plan promotes a sense of spaciousness, allowing for fluid movement between different areas of the home. This design encourages social interaction while still providing areas for privacy and retreat. The strategic placement of the Cork oak trees within the property creates natural focal points, enhancing the overall design and providing a sense of tranquility. This thoughtful approach to layout not only enhances the visual appeal but also enriches the living experience, making it a truly special place to call home. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees exemplifies the perfect marriage of architecture and nature. Its aesthetic appeal lies in the thoughtful integration of modern design elements with the natural landscape, creating a harmonious living environment that inspires and uplifts. From the choice of materials to the layout and connection with the outdoors, every aspect of the design is carefully considered to enhance the overall beauty of the home. This design serves as a powerful reminder of the potential for architecture to celebrate and coexist with the natural world, inspiring future projects to embrace similar principles of harmony and sustainability. Sustainable features of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is not only a visual marvel but also a beacon of sustainability. This design incorporates various eco-friendly features that minimize environmental impact while maximizing energy efficiency. The choice of materials is crucial. The concrete used is often sourced from local suppliers, reducing transportation emissions and supporting the local economy. Additionally, the design integrates recycled materials where possible, ensuring that the construction process aligns with sustainable practices. By focusing on these sustainable features, the house sets a precedent for future architectural endeavors, showcasing that modern design can coexist with ecological responsibility. One of the standout elements of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its energy-efficient systems. The house is equipped with solar panels that harness the sun's energy, providing a renewable power source for the household. This not only reduces reliance on fossil fuels but also significantly lowers energy bills, making it a financially sound choice in the long run. The design also incorporates high-quality insulation, which helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. By minimizing the need for artificial heating and cooling, the house further reduces its carbon footprint, demonstrating a commitment to sustainable living. Water conservation is another critical aspect of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The design features a rainwater harvesting system that collects rainwater from the roof and stores it for irrigation and other non-potable uses. This system not only reduces the demand on local water supplies but also promotes responsible water usage. Furthermore, the landscaping around the house is designed with native plants that require minimal irrigation, enhancing the ecological balance of the area. By implementing these water-saving measures, the house exemplifies how thoughtful design can contribute to environmental stewardship. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees also prioritizes indoor air quality, which is essential for the health and well-being of its occupants. The design incorporates natural ventilation strategies that allow fresh air to circulate throughout the home, reducing the need for mechanical cooling systems. Additionally, low VOC, volatile organic compound, materials are used in the construction and interior finishes, minimizing harmful emissions that can affect indoor air quality. This focus on creating a healthy living environment underscores the importance of sustainability in modern architecture and highlights the potential for design to enhance the quality of life. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as an inspiring model of sustainability in architecture. By integrating eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient systems, water conservation techniques, and a focus on indoor air quality, this design exemplifies how modern homes can be both beautiful and environmentally responsible. As we move forward in a world increasingly aware of environmental issues, this house stands as a testament to the possibilities that arise when innovative design meets a commitment to sustainability. It encourages future architects and homeowners to consider the ecological impact of their choices, paving the way for a more sustainable future in residential design. The aesthetic appeal of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees presents a striking visual narrative that captivates the eye and sparks the imagination. Its unique architectural form, characterized by sharp angles and bold lines, creates a modern aesthetic that stands out against the natural landscape. The juxtaposition of the angular concrete structure with the organic forms of the existing Cork oak trees enhances the overall appeal of the design. This interplay between nature and architecture not only draws attention but also invites viewers to appreciate the beauty of both elements. The house becomes a canvas that showcases how contemporary design can harmonize with the environment, resulting in a stunning visual experience. In addition to its striking shape, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees utilizes materials that further enhance its aesthetic. The use of raw concrete gives the structure a solid and grounded appearance, while also allowing for interesting textural contrasts with the natural surroundings. The roughness of the concrete complements the rugged bark of the Cork oak trees, creating a cohesive visual language that speaks to the relationship between the built environment and nature. Large windows strategically placed throughout the design not only provide breathtaking views of the landscape but also allow natural light to flood the interior spaces, blurring the lines between inside and outside. This thoughtful consideration of materials and light plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic, making the house feel both contemporary and inviting. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees also embraces the concept of open spaces, which contribute significantly to its visual appeal. The layout of the house promotes a sense of flow and connectivity, allowing each room to feel spacious and airy. The open floor plan encourages interaction among different areas, making it ideal for gatherings or quiet moments of reflection. This design choice not only enhances the aesthetic experience but also fosters a sense of community within the home. The seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, facilitated by expansive glass doors that open onto terraces or patios, creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages occupants to engage with their surroundings. Furthermore, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is thoughtfully integrated into its landscape, which adds another layer of beauty to its aesthetic. The careful placement of the house on the hilltop allows it to take full advantage of panoramic views while preserving the integrity of the existing Cork oak trees. The design respects the natural topography, ensuring that the house feels like a part of the landscape rather than an imposition upon it. This sensitivity to the environment not only enhances the visual appeal but also promotes a sense of tranquility and connection to nature, making the house a serene retreat. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is a remarkable example of how modern architecture can harmonize with the natural world. Its bold design, thoughtful material choices, open spaces, and integration with the landscape all contribute to its aesthetic appeal. This house serves as an inspiration for those seeking to create beautiful and functional living spaces that respect and celebrate their surroundings. By showcasing the potential for contemporary design to coexist with nature, the angular concrete house becomes a symbol of innovation and creativity in home architecture. Sustainable features of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees embodies a commitment to sustainability that is woven into every aspect of its construction and functionality. From the very beginning, the design process prioritized eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems. The use of locally sourced concrete not only reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation but also ensures that the structure harmonizes with the local environment. This thoughtful choice reflects a growing trend in architecture that emphasizes sustainability without compromising on aesthetics. The result is a home that is not only visually striking but also environmentally responsible, setting a benchmark for future designs. One of the standout features of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its innovative energy solutions. Solar panels integrated into the roof harness renewable energy, significantly reducing reliance on non-renewable resources. This design choice allows the house to generate its own electricity, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, the orientation of the house takes full advantage of natural sunlight, maximizing passive solar heating during the colder months while minimizing heat gain in the summer. This careful consideration of energy efficiency not only lowers utility costs but also promotes a more sustainable way of living, demonstrating that modern architecture can be both luxurious and environmentally friendly. Water conservation is another critical aspect of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The house incorporates a rainwater harvesting system that collects and stores rainwater for irrigation and other non-potable uses. This sustainable practice not only reduces the demand on local water supplies but also encourages responsible water management. The landscaping surrounding the house features native plants that require minimal irrigation, further enhancing the sustainability of the property. By integrating these eco-friendly features, the design not only respects the local ecosystem but also serves as an example of how thoughtful planning can lead to a more sustainable future. The integration of natural ventilation in the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees plays a significant role in enhancing indoor air quality while reducing the need for mechanical cooling. Strategically placed windows and open spaces allow for cross-ventilation, ensuring that fresh air flows through the house naturally. This design choice not only promotes a healthier living environment but also contributes to energy savings, as the reliance on air conditioning is minimized. The emphasis on natural ventilation aligns with the overall sustainable ethos of the house, showcasing how modern design can prioritize comfort and health without compromising on environmental responsibility. In summary, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a testament to the potential of sustainable architecture. Its commitment to eco-friendly materials, innovative energy solutions, water conservation, and natural ventilation creates a harmonious living space that respects the environment. This house not only serves as a beautiful home but also as an inspiring example of how contemporary design can embrace sustainability. By prioritizing these features, the angular concrete house encourages a lifestyle that is both luxurious and responsible, paving the way for future architectural endeavors that seek to balance aesthetics with ecological mindfulness. The aesthetic appeal of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees presents a striking visual narrative that seamlessly blends modern architecture with the natural landscape. The sharp lines and bold geometric forms of the house create a captivating contrast against the organic shapes of the Cork oak trees. This design choice not only emphasizes the house's contemporary style but also highlights the beauty of its surroundings. The integration of the structure into the hilltop landscape allows for a unique perspective, where the home appears to rise organically from the earth. This relationship between the built environment and nature is a testament to the thoughtful planning that went into the design, ensuring that the house complements rather than disrupts the existing ecosystem. One of the most compelling aspects of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its use of large windows and open spaces. These features invite natural light to flood the interiors, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The expansive glass panels not only offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape but also establish a strong connection between the indoors and outdoors. This design philosophy encourages residents to engage with nature, promoting a lifestyle that values tranquility and harmony with the environment. The choice of materials further enhances this aesthetic appeal. The raw concrete juxtaposed with the softness of the Cork oak trees creates a dynamic visual experience that is both modern and grounded. The color palette of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is another key element that contributes to its aesthetic charm. The neutral tones of the concrete blend harmoniously with the earthy hues of the Cork oak trees and the surrounding landscape. This intentional choice creates a cohesive visual narrative that feels both intentional and organic. The subtle variations in texture and color throughout the house add depth and interest, ensuring that the design remains engaging from every angle. This attention to detail not only enhances the beauty of the structure but also reinforces its connection to the natural world, making it a true reflection of its environment. Landscaping plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The careful selection of native plants and the integration of outdoor living spaces create a seamless transition from the interior to the exterior. Patios, terraces, and gardens are designed to encourage outdoor activities and relaxation, further promoting a lifestyle that embraces nature. The landscaping is not merely an afterthought, it is an integral part of the design that enhances the visual appeal of the house while providing functional outdoor spaces. This harmonious relationship between the architecture and the landscape exemplifies the beauty of thoughtful design. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a remarkable example of how modern architecture can harmonize with the natural environment. Its aesthetic appeal lies in the careful consideration of form, materials, and landscaping, all of which contribute to a cohesive visual narrative. By embracing the beauty of the existing Cork oak trees and the surrounding landscape, the house not only serves as a stunning residence but also as a source of inspiration for those seeking to create a harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. This design is a celebration of both innovation and environmental stewardship, showcasing the potential for modern living to coexist beautifully with the natural world. The sustainable features of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a beacon of sustainability in modern architecture. This design not only prioritizes aesthetics but also incorporates various eco-friendly features that minimize its environmental impact. One of the most significant aspects of this house is its use of sustainable materials, particularly the locally sourced concrete. By utilizing materials that are readily available in the surrounding area, the design reduces transportation emissions and supports local economies. The concrete's thermal mass also plays a crucial role in energy efficiency, helping to regulate indoor temperatures throughout the year. This thoughtful approach to material selection demonstrates a commitment. Another key feature of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its innovative energy solutions. The house is equipped with solar panels that harness the sun's energy, providing a renewable source of electricity. This not only reduces reliance on fossil fuels but also lowers energy costs for residents. The design incorporates a smart energy management system that optimizes energy consumption, ensuring that every watt generated is utilized efficiently. Additionally, the orientation of the house has been strategically planned to maximize solar gain, further enhancing its energy efficiency. By integrating these features, the house exemplifies how modern design can effectively address environmental concerns while providing a comfortable living space. Water conservation is another critical aspect of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The house features a rainwater harvesting system that collects and stores rainwater for use in irrigation and other non-potable applications. This system significantly reduces the demand for municipal water and promotes sustainable landscaping practices. The native plants chosen for the landscaping are drought-resistant, requiring minimal irrigation and further conserving water resources. This holistic approach to water management not only benefits the environment but also creates a sustainable ecosystem that thrives alongside the home. The integration of such features showcases the potential for residential design to contribute positively to local water cycles. The design also emphasizes natural ventilation, which is a key component of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. Strategically placed windows and open spaces facilitate airflow throughout the house, reducing the need for mechanical cooling systems. This not only enhances indoor air quality but also contributes to energy savings. The layout encourages cross-ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate freely, creating a comfortable living environment without compromising energy efficiency. By prioritizing natural ventilation, the design reflects a commitment to creating healthy living spaces that respect both the occupants' well-being and the environment. In summary, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees serves as an exemplary model of sustainable architecture. Its thoughtful integration of eco-friendly materials, renewable energy solutions, water conservation systems, and natural ventilation demonstrates how modern design can harmonize with the environment. This house not only provides a luxurious living experience but also embodies a commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. By embracing these principles, the design inspires others to consider the impact of their choices on the planet, paving the way for a more sustainable future in residential architecture. The aesthetic appeal of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is a stunning example of how modern architecture can harmonize with the natural environment. The striking geometric forms of the house create a bold visual statement against the backdrop of the rolling hills and ancient Cork oak trees. The use of angular shapes not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also serves a functional purpose, allowing for an abundance of natural light to flood the interior spaces. This interplay between light and shadow adds depth to the design, creating a dynamic atmosphere that changes throughout the day. The overall silhouette of the house stands in contrast to the organic shapes of the surrounding trees, yet they coexist beautifully, showcasing the potential for modern design to In addition to its striking form, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees employs a carefully chosen color palette that further enhances its visual appeal. The neutral tones of the concrete blend seamlessly with the earthy hues of the Cork oak trees, creating a cohesive look that feels both modern and grounded. The design also incorporates large glass panels that not only provide breathtaking views of the landscape but also reflect the surrounding environment, making the house appear as though it is part of the hilltop itself. This thoughtful integration of materials and colors not only enhances the beauty of the structure but also reinforces its connection to the landscape, making it a true embodiment of contemporary architecture that respects and celebrates its natural surroundings. The interior spaces of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees are equally impressive, reflecting the same commitment to aesthetic quality and functionality. Open floor plans create a sense of spaciousness, while the use of minimalist furnishings and decor allows the architecture to take center stage. Natural materials, such as wood and stone, are incorporated throughout the interior, further bridging the gap between the indoor and outdoor environments. The design prioritizes comfort and livability, ensuring that every space feels inviting and warm. This focus on creating a harmonious living environment reflects the overall ethos of the house, which is to promote a lifestyle that values simplicity, beauty, and connection to nature. Another noteworthy aspect of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its ability to adapt to the changing seasons. The large overhangs and strategically placed windows not only provide shade during the hot summer months but also allow for passive solar heating in the winter. This thoughtful design ensures that the house remains comfortable year-round, minimizing the need for artificial heating and cooling. As the seasons change, the views from the house transform, offering different perspectives of the Cork oak trees and the surrounding landscape. This dynamic relationship between the house and its environment enhances the overall experience of living in such a uniquely designed space, making it a true sanctuary for those who inhabit it. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees stands as a remarkable example of how modern architecture can harmonize with the natural world. Its bold geometric forms, carefully selected materials, and thoughtful interior design create a space that is not only visually stunning but also deeply connected to its surroundings. The house exemplifies the potential for contemporary design to inspire a lifestyle that values beauty, sustainability, and a profound appreciation for nature. As we explore the possibilities of home design, the angular concrete house serves as a powerful reminder of the beauty that can be achieved when we prioritize harmony with the environment. Sustainable living in the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is not just a visual masterpiece, it is also a beacon of sustainable living. In an age where environmental concerns are at the forefront of architectural design, this house exemplifies how modern architecture can align with eco-friendly practices. The design integrates various sustainable features that reduce energy consumption and promote a harmonious coexistence with nature. For instance, the use of locally sourced materials minimizes the carbon footprint associated with transportation. The concrete utilized in the construction is not only durable but also has excellent thermal mass properties, which help regulate indoor temperatures throughout the year, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. One of the standout features of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees is its innovative water management system. The house is equipped with a rainwater harvesting system that collects and stores rainwater for various household uses, such as irrigation and flushing toilets. This system is particularly beneficial in areas prone to drought, allowing the occupants to maintain a lush landscape without relying heavily on municipal water sources. Additionally, the landscaping around the house features native plants and drought-resistant species, which require minimal irrigation and contribute to local biodiversity. This thoughtful approach to water conservation not only enhances the sustainability of the house but also creates a vibrant ecosystem that supports local wildlife. Energy efficiency is another critical aspect of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop embracing existing Cork oak trees. The house is equipped with solar panels that harness the sun's energy, providing a renewable source of electricity. These panels are strategically placed to maximize sunlight exposure throughout the day, ensuring that the house remains self-sufficient in its energy needs. Moreover, the design incorporates large windows that facilitate natural ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout the interior spaces. This reduces reliance on air conditioning systems, further lowering energy consumption. By prioritizing energy efficiency, this house not only minimizes its environmental impact but also offers significant cost savings for its occupants in the long run. The integration of smart home technology is another innovative feature of the angular concrete house design on Hilltop, embracing existing Cork oak trees. This technology allows for the monitoring and control of various systems within the house, such as lighting, heating, and security, through a centralized interface. Occupants can program their preferences and receive real-time feedback on energy usage, enabling them to make informed decisions about their consumption habits. This level of control enhances the overall living experience, making it more convenient and efficient. Additionally, the incorporation of smart technology aligns with the modern lifestyle, appealing to those who value both sustainability and innovation in their living spaces. In conclusion, the angular concrete house design on Hilltop, embracing existing Cork oak trees, serves as a model for sustainable living in contemporary architecture. Its thoughtful design incorporates various eco-friendly features that promote energy efficiency, water conservation, and biodiversity. By harmonizing modern technology with nature, this house not only provides a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing living environment but also encourages a lifestyle that prioritizes environmental responsibility. As we continue to explore innovative home designs, the angular concrete house stands as a testament to the potential for architecture to inspire sustainable practices and foster a deeper connection with the natural world.